Hey everyone, 0635 here, and this is a video for WowWeefan582. This is his bronze V2 that I recently fixed up, and I had to go back inside it a second time and do a few revisions, but everything fully works minus it has one issue, which after many attempts with this position sensor that keeps him straight up, the position sensor that he originally had, it was screwing up, so there would be times where he would either lean back too much, or when he moves forward he just won't go all the way forward like he should. But now whenever, if you make him lay down and he gets back up, he will just get stuck. Like, he'll just go halfway through and he'll just be like, okay, yeah, I'm up. But if you make him do something else, like dance or something, he will actually fix himself and put himself back up. And so it's something that I can't even fix. I tried different position sensors, cleaned them up, mix and match, and this is as good as it got. Also, the batteries are low.
Initiated. I am WowWe Robotics model RSV2. Sonic sensors shut down. Vision shut down.
Yeah, these batteries are really weak.
Understood.
And of course, for anyone wondering what all was wrong with this unit,
I hope nobody saw that.
this leg right here, it was snapped off. This gear inside of this shoulder was stripped. The hand was snapped off, and the body, I think if you were to turn it, it also had another gear inside stripped. All that was fixed, so he's all good to go. And
Sleep stopping.
yeah, you see, God, here. Not sure why he did that. He has a new piece inside. Now this is exactly what I mean. He'll go up. And then from there it just stops as if like nothing happened. But once you make him do something,
I need to be upright for this. Understood. Stopping.
or unless you just use a joystick.
Understood.
There you go.
Stopping.
Like I said, the entire thing with what's going on with the position of the body is something I can't really fix at this point, so this is as good as it gets. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and bye.